Have you had chicken wings with that sweet and sour flavor? Oh my god. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Let's get straight to the point. In our bowl, you add your chicken wings, paprika, curry powder, chopped garlic, chopped onion. Throw in your pepper sauce and then your seasoning cubes. We're going to make honey wings today, and not forgetting to add your allspice. Yes, it's a mixture of different spices. Add your lemon juice for that tangy flavor, and then we'll top it all with our vegetable oil. We're going to massage it very well until everything is well marinated. Then you cover and allow to rest for all the ingredients to go into it. Now we're going to put this into our pan and we will be putting this in an oven. Yes, we're grilling this in an oven. Let's prepare our honey wing sauce. Into a pan, you put in some butter, chopped garlic, pepper sauce, and our honey, which is the major ingredient in here. You stir this and throw in your wings that has been grilled, and you just stir this some more, mix it properly for it to be well coated, and our honey wings is ready. If you've watched to this point, I would like to know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out. And also don't forget to like, share, comment, and try out this recipe and let me know how it all turned out. Until my next video, see you all and stay safe. Bye.